Caitlin! I'm in the jungle!
There you are.
Ah, I was looking for the elephants, but I couldn't find any. Wow! Look at the elephants!
Let's love sign. Elephant. Elephant. You sign. Elephant. Good. Elephant.
Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Caitlin.
Hello, my name is Ray.
We have a question for you.
What do elephants eat?
Oh, they love apples and trees.
I have a delivery for you. Wait here. An apple and a bucket.
Bucket is very small. And the elephants are very big.
I don't have a bucket.
But I have a big bucket.
Ah, but no apples.
No.
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Wow. Shall we feed the elephants?
Yes. Ah, there's your mum.
There you are.
We've had a great day. Thank you for all your help.